So what we'll do is just monitor. If more damage occurs, it might force us to divert some traffic, maybe starting by diverting the very heavy traffic to pass through Nyeri. And if it continues, then it may mean we close the road completely. But we are hoping the dry weather we are experiencing right now will not reach that critical point. But already there is a sign for disaster, and a potential landslide has been observed here. We can see that even in the past it has been failing, but not as much as this time.
So these heavy rains, they have caused a quite substantial destruction of infrastructure, especially roads. Although most of them is things we have been able to clear so far. But the major ones are this one and the one for Kangema. The others are where ground is covering the road, and once it is removed, we open traffic. But these two are the major issues we have currently. We are hopeful now the rain is not as heavy as it used to be. We are hoping it will subside, because if it continues, more damage will be caused.